Mikhail Massa video, subscribe and share. The six-pointed star and the Congo tradition. The six-pointed star appears in multiple cultures worldwide, each attributing it a unique meaning. In the Congo tradition, it symbolizes the three ancestors, Nsaku, Mpanzu, and Nzinga, who represent the king, the priest, and the blacksmith. These three figures correspond to the spirit, soul, and body. Additionally, the star reflects the divine attributes of a Congo: love, Zola, intelligence, Ngangu, and power, Lendo. The intertwined triangles form the six-pointed star, which contains the cosmic spiral, symbolizing evolution. The star is universal, just as the menorah, the seven-branched candlestick, holds universal significance for the Hebrews. The Bena Kongo recognize Ketiopa, Africa, as the land of the sun, associated with Zeta Dia Ninza, the great cosmic energy linked to Sirius. The spiritual force known as Muanda Kongo is the divine eye overseeing the Bena Kongo and Kongo di Ntotela, the heart of Africa. The meaning of Elima and the connection to Hebrew. The Kikongo word Kelima means a messenger spirit, which, when shortened to Elima, refers to divine beings or angels. The transformation of Elima into Elohim in Hebrew suggests a linguistic and cultural connection between the Congo and biblical traditions. Similarly, the name Israel, Israel, represents the fusion of divine masculine, Ra, and feminine, Isis, creating a perfect being, El. Historical records suggest that the Bantu people, including the Congo, once lived in regions of the Middle East. Many Hebrew words have Kikongo roots. Gamalu camel became Gamal in Hebrew. Dikahala assembly became Kahal. Nabi, prophet, became Rabbi. Masa, water, was used to name Moses in Islam, Musa. Thus, some of the biblical figures and their names have origins in Congo tradition. This knowledge was hidden or altered over time due to colonization and cultural distortions. Abraham and the Black Priests. According to the ancient records, Abraham traveled from Ur to undergo spiritual initiation in Bukongo. He gave tithes to Melekiseki, a high priest of Bukongo, before being initiated and renamed Abraham. This highlights the role of Congo spirituality in shaping early biblical traditions. Over time, as different groups migrated and cultures merged, the original meanings of many spiritual terms were altered. The prophecies and destiny of the Bena Kongo. The Bena Kongo, descendants of Nyanzala Mpandu and Mama Nkenge Lufuma, were originally located in Ethiopia. They migrated to regions such as Nubia, Egypt, Midian, and Canaan. These regions were once centers of spiritual knowledge, where black high priests and magi preserved the sacred laws of the Most High, Akongo. However, over time, foreign influences led to the distortion of these traditions. Despite this, the prophecies foretold that the Congo people would one day reunite in the heart of Africa, where a great leader, Mani Kongo, would emerge. This leader would restore the sacred traditions and guide humanity into a new era of spiritual enlightenment. The land of Kongo di Ntotela is destined to become the center of this divine restoration, as decreed by Muanda Kongo. The future and the Great Renaissance. The Congo people are the chosen custodians of the divine order. Their mission is to uphold the sacred laws and prepare for the arrival of the great king who will come from the heavens to establish justice. Kongo di Ntotela will play a key role in the spiritual awakening of humanity. The wisdom of the ancestors, which has been hidden for centuries, will be revealed once more, bringing light and unity to the world. Injeta. The destiny of the Congo people and the divine plan. The Bena Kongo founded the Kongo Dia Ntotela Kingdom, a powerful spiritual and political entity predestined to expand across Central Africa and the world. However, Western colonization disrupted this divine plan, starting with the arrival of the Portuguese in the 15th century, led by Diego Cao. The situation worsened with the Berlin Conference of 1885, which divided the kingdom into Belgian Congo, French Congo, and Portuguese Congo. Despite these disruptions, the divine prophecy foretells that at the appointed time, an extraterrestrial being from the star Kakongo will be born in Central Africa. He will rise as the divine king, Nukua Tulendo, also called the bald-headed one, son of the leopard, and the man in the yellow cassock. His mission will be to destroy the artificial colonial borders imposed by the West and restore the unity of the Congo people. To accomplish this, Nemavuemba Nkosi, meaning the one who subdues the lions, has been sent to dismantle the systems of the Mindele, foreigners colonizers. The mythical river and the prophecy of return. The Congo tribe once lived in the Middle East before being relocated to Central Africa. Jewish traditions speak of the river Sambation, a mythical river beyond which the lost tribes of Israel were exiled. However, the Bena Kongo initiates reveal that this river is not mythical. It is the Nzadia Muanza, the powerful Congo River. This river holds a deep spiritual significance and is central to the return and restoration of the Congo people. The Torah and Jewish scriptures also prophesy a divine restoration, where miracles will occur, and the Bena Kongo will reclaim their place as a righteous people. The Targum Yonathan states that the exiled people will be brought back beyond the river Sambation, confirming the prophecy known to the Bena Kongo for centuries. Akongo, the supreme creator and his attributes. In Congo spirituality, Bukongo, Akongo is the supreme being, the creator of the universe, the first cause of everything, and the source of life, Ntomoyo wa Kiwadu. The Congo people honor Akongo with many names and attributes. Nzambi and Mpungu power, Nzambi and Kalunga Zola love, Nzambi and Semi Ngangu intelligence. These three divine attributes, power, love, and intelligence, are the pillars of creation. The Kikongo language reflects this divine understanding. Kubumba, Kuwumba, Kuhanga, to shape or form, gives us names such as Mbumba, Kabumba, Muhanga, Ruhanga, and Muvangi, all referring to the creator. Kusema, to create, gives us the name Musemi, Semi, meaning creator. Bukongo teaches that the universe is the greatest industry, owned and operated by Akongo. The angels, Mahasi, spirits, Basimbi, and geniuses, Mbasi, are his divine workers, ensuring the harmony of creation. All human industrialists are merely subcontractors using the raw materials provided by Akongo's grand cosmic industry. The power of Akongo, the first industrialist of the universe. Akongo is not only a creator but also the supreme industrialist, ensuring the smooth running of the universe. Everything in existence, stars, suns, moons, cosmic rays, spaceships, fire, air, water, earth, metals, trees, and living beings, is part of his grand Divangilu, divine industry. The eagle, Mpungu Mbemba, symbolizes Akongo's power and governance over the universe. This concept is reflected in the Kikongo language. Kupungula, to manifest omnipotence, gives us Mpungu, meaning the Almighty. Removing the P from Mpungu gives us Mungu, the word for God in Swahili. Thus, across Africa, from Congo to Kasai, Rwanda, Uganda, Gabon, and beyond, Akongo is revered as the supreme being and universal ruler. Conclusion: the divine plan and the future of the Congo people. Bukongo teaches that the intelligence of Akongo created the universe, his love sustains it, and his power governs it. Therefore, in Congo Bumayala, Congo political philosophy, governance and leadership are sacred duties, mirroring the divine order of the universe. The restoration of Congo dia Ntotela is not just a political movement, it is the fulfillment of a divine prophecy. The return of the divine king, Nzambi, will mark the beginning of a new era where the Bena Kongo will reclaim their place as the custodians of divine wisdom and justice. The colonial structures imposed by the West will be dismantled, and the true spiritual kingdom of Akongo will be re-established on earth. Injeta. The divine kingdom of Congo and the supreme being Akongo. The Bena Kongo established the Congo dia Ntotela kingdom, predestined to become a great power, spreading across Central Africa and eventually the world. However, Western colonization, starting with the Portuguese arrival in the 15th century and the Berlin Conference of 1885, disrupted this divine plan, dividing the kingdom into Belgian Congo, French Congo, and Portuguese Congo. According to prophecy, at the appointed time set by Lord Akongo, a divine being will emerge from the star Kakongo, born in Central Africa, to restore order and reunite the land, overturning colonial borders. This is the advent of Ntotela, the powerful king, also called the son of the leopard, destined to defeat Western oppression and fulfill the will of Muanda Kongo, the supreme god. The Congo people and their spiritual legacy. The Congo people are believed to have originally lived in the Middle East before migrating to Central Africa, settling near the Saba-Tian River, also known as Nzambi Congo River. The Jewish tradition references the mythical Sambishan River, believed by the Congo initiates to be the same as Nzambi. In Bukongo spirituality, Akongo is recognized as the supreme creator, referred to as Nzambi and Mpungu, Almighty God, ruler of the universe. Nzambi Kalunga, divine love, cosmic cohesion. Nzambi and Nsemi, divine intelligence, the creator. These attributes, power, love, and intelligence, govern the universe. Bukongo teachings emphasize that Akongo is the source of all life, manifesting through cosmic laws and creation. Divine governance and universal order. The Bukongo philosophy sees the universe as a great industry, governed by Akongo, the master craftsman. Everything within it, stars, elements, and life forms, is part of his divine enterprise. Human rulers are merely subcontractors of this supreme order. Politics and governance, when truly enlightened, should align with divine wisdom and justice.